In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the automatic printhead cleaning of your Epson WorkForce 7310 printer. Go to the printer display panel, scroll ahead, select the maintenance option, scroll down, click on the printhead cleaning, click start. So it's going to take around 2 minutes. Printhead cleaning is complete. Perform a nozzle check. So press OK. Click on the print. Here we can see that is our printout, and we can see all the inks are working good, and we can see the blue color that has some of the lines broken. Now to fix that issue, on the main screen you have to select exact, that is the X. If I select that, it will ask you to start the printhead alignment. And if you have all the lines in a good condition, then you can select the O. And now we can go to the home screen. You can start using your printer. This way we can do the printhead cleaning using the automatic method. Thanks for watching.